Hi, it's Betty Jo from Paging Supermom, and if you don't have a box of that Easter egg dye, those little tablets, don't worry. I'm going to show you how to make homemade Easter egg dye using ingredients you probably already have in your pantry. All you need is food coloring, vinegar, and water. It's so easy and the colors turn out so vibrant, you're going to wonder why you haven't been doing it this way all along. The first thing you're going to do is decide how many colors you want to make. Boil a cup of water for each jar. So I'm making 6 different colors. I'm going to put 6 cups of water on the stove to boil. Once the water is boiling, I'm ready to make my dye. First thing you're going to do is measure out that hot water. You just need 1 cup of water in each of your jars. Now I can add the vinegar. What the vinegar does is it helps to kind of break down the shell a little bit so that it'll accept the dye. You're just going to put 2 teaspoons of vinegar in each jar. You might think that the dye is the secret ingredient, but actually I think it's the vinegar is what makes the real magic happen. Now is the fun part when you get to add the food coloring. You're going to mix the colors together to create your own custom colors, and it's a lot of fun. If you want some ideas to help you get started, head to pagingsupermom.com where you'll find a handy chart that gives you some ideas of which combinations make what colors. Now that you've added your food coloring, your egg dye is ready to go. I'm just going to label what color each of these dye baths are because a lot of times the dye looks a lot darker than it's actually going to look on the egg. And this helps us keep track of which color is which. All right, let's test this dye out. Put some eggs in there and see how they turn out. As with any egg dye, the longer you leave the eggs in their dye bath, the brighter the colors will be. I think you're going to find that mixing up your own colors is a lot of fun. You might never go back to that box dye. Happy Easter!